guys, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to give you all a small update. Yeah, man.
Please, brother.
It is a rough task, guys. I'm at the hospital. Yeah, man. Just going through a small dilemma. It's a rough task, guys. I don't know how to explain it to y'all, but I've been here for quite some time. I don't get through as yet, but still I feel a little firm due to the fact that, you know, yeah, but as with conditions as well. Yeah, man. It's a bit serious, guys. Like, it's serious. Yeah, man. I've been having this condition here for quite some time, but due to the lack of funds, I can't really, you know, get it started. But it's critical. So right now, I'm at the hospital. I'm trying to get things together. So as time progresses, I'm gonna give you all an update on what's taking place. Yeah, man. As I always say, guys, keep getting out there and doing the right thing. Yeah, man. So, one step at a time. Yeah, man. And we ain't Superman, guys, so you know it's some go. We're gonna meet in, well, basically about rough times. Yeah, man. My apologies for the noise in the background and so on and so forth, but you know, something as I'm saying, I'm actually at the hospital at the moment. Yeah, man. It's been quite some time now since I've actually, you know, sit, but I'm at the post office, guys. It's the only place I can really sit to feel comfortable. Well, there ain't no comfort, but as I said, I won't say a lot in regards to my illness, but I'm holding firm, guys. You know, so a little prayer is good. Blessings, y'all.